Hello everyone. Today I am using my Crown eye palette that came with my BoxyCharm. I've started out with So what I've done is I've actually blended those two colors together. As you can see, a little goes a long way and you can tell that it was on this eye. So I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit more in the crease. Now, one of the tricks that I use for my eyeshadow, because I have hooded eyes, is I actually will go over with the dark color first. I will almost close my eye completely and look down so that I can actually get that hood right there. As you can see. So I'm going above that where my actual crease is. See where my crease is here. But now when I look down, you can see like my brush is completely in the crease. So I want to take that above it and I want to draw my eye up. So I'm bringing that up a little bit further, that darker color. Okay. So the same thing with this one. I can actually see it if I'm looking down like this, okay? So you can see that dark color right here. You want somebody to see that beautiful dark color right here. So that's the best way to put it on for hooded eyes, is looking down. If you're opening your eyes, you're only gonna get like right around here because you're thinking, oh, I am going above the crease. But then when you look, you're not really getting above the crease, you're really going still in. And sometimes you'll notice that you're just getting slightly above that crease. So what you want to do is you just want to take it up a little bit higher, not too high. And then when you're going to blend with your transition color, that's when you start blending it up a little bit higher. Okay, you start blending it out a little bit higher. So you just keep moving that product up. That's what a blending brush will do. It'll just keep, if you do it really lightly, it'll just keep moving that product up for you. So you do want to go in and out, but you also want to go up. You want to bring it up slightly up a little bit. And then in the crease, back and forth sweeping motion, and then blend those transition colors together on the lid. Bring it into the lid, those transition colors, and there you have it. Wow, look at how gorgeous it is. These colors are amazing. I like to use this tiny little brush for my highlighting above my eyebrows. And because I haven't done my eyebrows yet, I'm actually going right into the eyebrows. I don't really care because, like I said, I haven't done my eyebrows yet. And then I'm gonna take it off to the side a little bit. And it doesn't matter if it gets into the other darker colors because we're gonna blend that all together again. You really wanna accentuate more of that highlighter right at your arch. Right here, there we go. Now we're gonna blend that again. But I would clean your brush off or use a different blending brush if you have one, because you are going to have that darker and the transition color on this brush. So you want to make sure that it's clean so that you're not putting darker color up on the lid. You actually want your highlighter now to be the main focus here up on the brow. And we're just going to lightly, very lightly move that around. Okay. I'm going to bring it out a little bit. We really want this to stay here. But we're blending in now that darker color into the highlight. See how I did that? So it kind of gives that, like it's all coming together effect. So I'm going to do it on this side. I am going to be using the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in Silky Nude. And then a little bit right in here. Right past the eye duct on the bridge of the nose. Just a little bit on the bridge. And then right underneath my waterline on the bottom. I am going to take a harder brush that is for contouring. It is a little bit hard, so it's not like a soft brush. This is actually going to help move, add a little bit more in the tear duct area on both the top and the bottom. See how that opens that up a little bit? And I might just leave that a little bit. I might not want to blend that out a whole lot. I might just dab it so that it stays bright like that. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this darker color and I'm going to kind of blend it down below. I'm going to take another one of those hard brushes, but this one is a flat tip. I don't know what they're called. Somebody else would have a number for them, but I don't have a number for mine. So I'm going to take that darker color again. I'm just going to take the tip real gently and move it along the bottom of my waterline. And then I'm going to connect it to the color up on top of my lid. So what that means, I'm going to take the shimmery color too, and then I'm going to put that on top. And I'm going to bring it down just a tiny bit. And then I'm going to connect it where it looks like the top and the bottom aren't connected. And there you have it. Very gently, I'm going to blend that. And this is where I tend to take it up. I sweep it up so that it looks like my eye is going up, not down. So I actually move my brush up. And I just let it like flick. So it gets that effect that it's all connected, but it's moving upwards. So my eyelashes are done, and now the next thing I need to do are my brows. This is coming off of another video where I was using the Pacifica Blur foundation. Okay, so here is my final look. Thank you for watching me on IGTV. Don't forget to give me a click on that heart to show me that you love me. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, click like, and comment below. Thank you so much for joining me. God bless you. Bye.